everyone, this is Yolanda again, back with another edition, or another episode, sorry, of Everything from A to Y. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate your time. I know you guys could have been doing a lot of other things. We're all busy, at home but busy, so I do thank you so much for watching. And I just wanted to make a quick video on, someone asked me the other day, how do I stay motivated? Especially with at-home schooling, going back for a second degree, hopefully, and just, you know, teaching myself something that's so foreign to me, because I was an English major. I do have a degree in professional writing with a focus on institutional communications. That is the official title. So I do a lot of writing, pretty much. I was gonna use that to go to law school, and then I stopped and I did some writing. So now that I'm trying to get into nursing, which I'm absolutely loving the sciences, learning the sciences and all of that. Biology has given me a bit of a warm time, but I'm still coping. You know, my head is still well above water. So, but someone asked me the other day, how do I stay motivated in terms of my at-home schooling? So of course there are, like I said before, I am a nerd. I have my pens. I filled it up a bit more with more of my colored pens. Not to mention I went out and bought some more, because I really do love these ones. These ones that click out, and then they have the little button that pulls in. So I really do love these ones. They're by Bic. And I do love those pens, so I had to go out and buy some more today. But also, when I'm doing my homework, yes, I also have some instrumental music playing in the background. Sometimes when I'm really excited about what I'm learning and when I'm getting it, when everything is just clicking, clicking, clicking. I love that. And then I'll turn up the music and I'll be listening to some EDM, some samba, bossa nova, some instrumental jazz. Like, I listen to anything with no lyrics. That's the thing. Because for me, if there are lyrics, then I tend to sing along, and I don't want to be singing along. I just want something to play in the background, because I don't like silence. I can't do the silence, because then I say, what was that? What was that? Every little creak freaks me out. So I can't do absolute silence. So I have to do instrumental music. But also what I do is, for me to get in my scientific mindset, that's what I call it, I ordered these the other day to get me in the mood, all right? You guys don't laugh at me, but this is what I use. I bought myself a purple stethoscope. Yes! And I put it around my neck, and I sit at my desk, and I do my homework with my stethoscope on me. Sometimes I do, you know, practice on myself, and I put it in my ears, and I try to listen to my own heart. Sometimes I don't hear anything, but I'm sure it's just because I don't know how to use it properly. I know I have a heart. It might be cold as ice, but I do have a heart. It's beating in there somewhere, don't worry. Yeah, so that's what I do. I have a blue stethoscope. Blue. I'm not colorblind, I swear. I have a purple stethoscope that I love, and I put it around my neck, and that gets me in the scientific mindset. Not gonna lie, guys. And also what I bought for myself, just as like a little bit of motivation, I bought like a nurse's watch. Can you guys see that? Those upside down watches, so that when you flip it up, then the time is correct. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so it's like this, and then when you flip it going that way, then the time becomes correct. So that's what I bought for myself. And then also just a little case to carry it. I couldn't find a purple one to match, so I went with burgundy. But it was more purple on the website, to be honest. And this is just to hold all my junk, all my scientific junk, because like I said earlier, I am a nerd. But it's just a little traveling pouch, probably, with compartments. I'm just gonna put my stethoscope in there at some point when I'm not using it, maybe during the summer months. So that's what I do to keep myself motivated. But also, I have a friend who is also going on the scientific educational journey with me. I want to become a nurse. She wants to become a paramedic. You know, yes! It's gonna be so exciting once we're actually in the schooling. So she wants to change her career. I want to change my career. You know, after I had my little pre-midlife crisis and I finally figured out what I want to do with my life after writing, which I do love. I love my writing. But now that I figured out what I want to do, she's also figured out what she wants to do. So I bought her the same stuff too. But I bought her the blue case, and I bought her the blue watch. I just left it in the bubble wrap just because. And I bought her a blue stethoscope. I'm so excited to give them to her. I also went out and bought a gift bag just now. And I just want to keep her motivated as well. Even if she just uses it as a toy. You know, I'm not expecting her to be using this when she's a real paramedic. No. You gotta buy the official stuff. This was just like a few dollars off of that website that everyone shops at. So these are purely for motivational reasons. I hope they inspire her as much as they've inspired me to keep going. She didn't do the online classes because, you know, it wasn't her thing. Like, she wants to be in class, which I do too. It's very hard teaching yourself at home, having the discipline to go on. Like, I literally spend at minimum 4 to 5, sometimes 7-ish hours a day doing my homework and doing the lessons and copying out the notes. My notes are so beautiful, guys, with these colored pens. I love colored pens. So yeah, I went and got her the exact same stuff. Hers is blue, mine is pink. Well, I tried to go with purple, but the purple one of this didn't look great, so I just went with pink, whatever. But yeah, so that is how I stay motivated, guys. And if you guys are still in school, if you guys are going back to school, kudos to you. I commend you so highly for doing that. It's going to better your life. It's going to better your family's life. And it's just going to inspire you to be the best you can be. So I applaud you guys for doing that, and I pray that you keep up the great work. And all you've got to do is try. You know, there's no harm in trying. And I hope you guys succeed, and I hope you guys have something that motivates you as well. And if you're going back to school, or if you are still in school, leave a comment down below. Let's chat. How are you doing with school? What can you do to motivate yourself if you need motivation? Or what do you currently use to motivate yourself? I would love to know. I'm always open to new, inspiring things to help me as well. Because, you know, no one is perfect. Oh, look at this. I even have a periodic table of elements framed. I have one as well by my desk that I have written all over, but this one is one that I'm just going to have up just to look at. And I also ordered a big poster for my walls as well. So all I want is your prayers, guys, because this stuff is hard, not gonna lie. But I wish you all well. And I know with a good head on your shoulders, you guys can make this. I'm gonna try my best as well. Excuse me. So I don't have the Rona. I just had a tickle in my throat. Something may have been trying to go down my epiglottis. Oh, EPIGLOTTIS. Look it up, guys. Yes. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your time as well. Go back to your lives and stay safe, stay sanitary, and stay loving, guys. This is Yolanda from Everything from A to Y. Bye.